Okay, so I just got my dreads wet, another towel dry, and now I'm going to spray on my hair. I'm going to do my roots, see if it makes any difference, and then the ends of my dreadlocks. I just want to lighten them up a bit. And this says you shouldn't use it on roots any shorter than an inch. Mine are definitely longer than an inch. Now I'm going to do my dreadlocks. Spray all over. Okay. I'm going to apply some heat, see if that lightens it up quicker. I think after a few uses it's going to work. So it says to use it twice a week. I'm going to use it twice a week and I'll get back to you at the end of the week and see if it's made any difference and see if my hair is lighter. Woohoo! Woo! I'm going to be using the lightening conditioner and the lightening shampoo as well to give it the full results that we can give. And yeah, I'm considering I just want to lighten the ends of my dreads and then kind of blend the rootage out a little bit because it's quite harsh. And we'll see. But if we can just kind of blend this out just a little bit, it's going to look a little bit better than what it does now because I just feel like these roots are so dark. It will react with my body heat from my head. Let's see if we can get these dreadlocks gradually lightened up a couple shades. I feel like it's actually lightened the ends a little bit and it's been a few hours. Not so much these roots, but on the pre-lightened hair that I dyed brown. It's only been a few hours and I can already kind of see definitely some lightening. So I just popped my hair up just so it doesn't keep going on my shoulders because I don't want to like lighten my clothes. Yeah, that's definitely lighter on the ends. So now it's just a waiting game. Round 2. Okay, so it's day 2 of using the hair lightening spray by John Freda. And as you can see, it's definitely lightened up my regrowth, but it's not gonna do it to the level that I want it to go. So I just went out and got a hair lightening kit in Platinum Blonde. So I'm going to touch up my roots and then it will be all nice and blonde at the front. So the ends of my dreadlocks, I'm actually really surprised at how much it's lightened with the hair lightening spray. Look at this. Guys, what? Wow. Definitely a lighter shade. At least 2 shades lighter, and I've used it 2 times. So basically the hair lightening spray I would recommend for if you dyed your hair that was originally blonde. Say my hair was blonde and I dyed it brown. As the hair dye washes out and it fades and maybe you want to have a little bit of a lighter colour, then definitely I would say use the hair lightening spray. If you have like a natural dark brown hair and you want it to lighten up, I wouldn't necessarily go for this because it's not going to be a light enough lift or a strong enough lift to bring that to a blonde platinum colour. My hair colour is a medium to dark brown, but I just wanted to test it out and see if it made any difference. And you can kind of tell, especially at the roots. I don't want to risk it because if I keep applying the hair lightening spray, if I overlap on this already bleached hair, it could end up just breaking off, so it's not necessarily a good idea. Beautiful. So pretty. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm going to mix the bleach up now and then do these bad boys. So I'm just playing it safe. I'm gonna bleach my roots and then I'll use the hair lightening spray on just the ends of my hair on the dreadlocks so we can get like an ombre effect going on without having to full on bleach my dreadlocks because I don't want to apply bleach. Originally I was thinking maybe a bleach bath and do that on the ends of the dreadlocks, but still it's very damaging, and the bleach bath, if it's not applied correctly, it could end up being really patchy. So I just kind of want to gradual lighten it up, kind of more of a natural subtle effect. But yeah, this one. And I like this one so much that when I went into the shop to get the hair bleach, I found that the Cravat do their own brand of hair lightening spray. So I also got one of these. It's like €4.49, really affordable. Twice the price this one, but this one was on buy one get one free on offer. Every time I get stuff from the shop, always on offer. So this was actually buy one get one free on all hair products at the moment. Yeah, so I'm going to bleach my roots now. Okay, so I'm going to mix up the bleach, apply it onto my roots, leave it for 45 minutes, and then I should have a nice platinum blonde bangs again. And I will probably apply some more of the hair lightening spray on the ends of my hair when that's all sorted. And then we can see after 3 uses of using the hair lightening spray, but this is already after 2, and you can see how much it's lightened the ends already, like a lot. So good. And that's exactly what I wanted, like kind of a natural ombre, kind of looks like a lion's mane. It's lovely.